This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. Undo the two retaining bolts and remove them. Pull the cover away from the engine and remove it from the vehicle. Disconnect the wiring plug mounted on the pump supply pipe. Undo the 4 protective cover mounting nuts and remove the cover. Drain the fuel filter. Position a container or cloth beneath the filter, then attach a length of plastic or rubber hose to the drain nipple, with the other end of the hose in a container. Slacken the drain nipple and the top bleed screw and allow the fuel to drain until it appears clean and free from water droplets. Tighten the bleed screw and drain nipple. Prior to disconnection, clean around the fuel lines and place absorbent towels around the connectors to catch any spilt fuel. Anticipating some fuel spillage, disconnect the fuel lines from the filter assembly and seal the fuel lines as soon as they are removed. Genuine Ford filters are supplied with plugs for the fuel lines. Now remove the filter mounting bolts and lift out the assembly. Remove the bleed hose from the base of the filter. Fit the bleed hose to the new filter assembly and then secure it by tightening the 3 bolts. Remove the plugs, then reconnect the fuel lines to the filter assembly, making sure to clip the pipes into the bracket. Once all the fuel pipes are connected, reconnect the wiring plug attached to the pump supply pipe, then fit the protective cover. Tighten the cover nuts. Check for leaks after starting the engine. Bleed the filter and fuel lines. Ford technicians use a hand pump that connects to the fuel filter and draws fuel up from the tank or through the leak-off pipe return. In the absence of this tool, use a handheld vacuum pump or an inline bulb-type siphon or pump. Clean up any spilt fuel before starting the engine and checking for leaks. Place the cover in position on top of the engine so the oil filler cap and dipstick are accessible. Refit the 2 retaining bolts and tighten them.